Good morning, 3TTO. Welcome, guys. This is one of the this is the first instruction video to you, um, because we have work to do. What are we going to do? What we're going to do, what you see here to the side, to the left, you see Britain shuts up shops. Headlines of this week: Britain closes all shops due to the coronavirus. Well, it's very sad for those Britons. It's not only Britain. We expect that within a week, maybe two, well, let's see, not only Britain, but also Oegstgeest is gonna shut up shops. Is that terrible? Yes, that might be terrible, but it creates an opportunity. Well, it creates an opportunity. And we businessmen, we think in opportunities. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna set up a delivery service. Well, you are gonna set up a delivery service. And actually, before doing that, you need a plan, a business plan. A what? A business plan. Don't worry, we will provide you with a format of a business plan, some links to websites, so it will be all fine. This video is purely to instruct you how to write a nice and decent business plan about your own delivery service. There we go. Our business plan consists of 4 parts. You can find a million gazillion ways to write a business plan, but ours has just 4 parts. Part 1, the description. Part 2, the market analysis. Part 3, the strategic plan. And part 4, a financial plan. Let's go through them step by step, and it will be all come clear, I hope. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. First, the description. It's all about the reader. Huh? You want to persuade the investors to actually invest in your delivery service, be it your parents or your economics teacher or anyone else. In the description, it consists for us of 3 parts: an executive summary, a description of the product, and a description of the company itself. So, what do we mean? First, an executive summary. It's the summary of your business plan. That's why you write it after you finished writing all the other parts of the business plan. That's when you write an executive summary. When investors are going to read your business plan, they start with the executive summary, and based on your executive summary, they will decide whether or not it's worthwhile to continue reading. Obviously, you need a description of your product. What are you going to sell? And then you need to make that as detailed as possible. So you can say, yes, I'm gonna sell pens, but then I want to know what kind of pens. And maybe you have a specific target group. Who are you gonna sell those pens to? Thirdly, you need to figure out some stuff, some legal stuff. A description of your company. Company consists of the rules and regulations you need to obey to. That includes, for example, you need to think of what kind of company you want to set up. Are you self-employed? Are you doing it? Are you going to do it in a partnership? Maybe you want to set up a company which is a limited company, so that you as a person are not responsible, but you split your company from yourself. And last but not least, obviously there are regulations. If you you cannot set up a restaurant without taking into account the health regulations for kitchens, for example. The second part of your business plan for a delivery service consists of a SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis. It's not some kind of police weird team from the United States. SWOT stands for strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Basically, it's a kind of matrix. Let's go to the next slide. At one point, on top, you see the S and the W for strength and weakness. These are the strengths and the weaknesses you expect from your own company. For example, maybe you're a very athletic person and you like to bike. Well, that places you, that would be a strength for a delivery service. Or maybe you dislike rain so much that you are not able to get outside once it rains. That will be your weaknesses from within the company. And you can think of many examples, the skills you possess. If you want to deliver food, it might be helpful to be a cook, right? Or maybe you are a cook, and then it will be a strength. Opportunities and threats is basically the market, are the people you're competing. What are the opportunities and threats for the company you would like to set up outside yourself? For example, coronavirus obviously is a huge opportunity for delivery services. Um, for a restaurant, on the other hand, it will be a threat. You can think of many more stuff. For example, maybe you would like to deliver products from China. There are huge delays from China, etc., etc. You're going to do research. What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses from within your company or within the organization? So that's this part, the internal part, and then outside your company, what would be opportunities and threats? Next, hey, you need to have a strategy, man. You cannot just start. No, you need to have a strategy plan. You need to have a marketing mix. Who do you want to deliver to, and how are you gonna reach those people? Well, there's a little trick to help you writing a strategic plan. We call that the marketing mix, or the 4 P's: product, price, promotion, and place. Try as detailed as possible to describe your product. uh, uh, who does it suit to? Why does it suit your target group? The ones you would like to sell your or deliver your product to. The promotion. What are you going to do? Are you going to use marketing? Are you going to use influencers? Why are you going to do it, and why is it going to work? And then we have place. In this case, a place could also be online, online or offline. Maybe you want to organize a pickup point. I don't know. It is all linked to your target group. How are you going to sell the products to the people you would like to sell it to? Last but not least, we have a financial plan. People think difficult about finances because it's numbers. But basically, numbers are a language, right? You can tell someone, or you can show someone your business plan in numbers. So basically, the financial plan is your business plan, but then translate it into numbers. What kind of numbers? Um, well, like you see on top, thanks for the quarter call. Is it net or gross? Net or gross? What? Profit. Like we did before, what we expect from you is to draw up a financial plan. So what do you expect, or expected turnover, expected gross profit, expected purchasing value, etc., etc., etc. And you try to look up as many information as you can find or can deduct from other numbers. You try to make an estimation, to make a guess about the turnover of your delivery service the purchasing value of the stuff you're gonna deliver, or maybe you're gonna adjust the stuff. Then your operating cost, what kind of capital, land, well, land you don't need, but what of kind of capital and labor do you need? Maybe there's some contingent cost, unforeseen cost. And what do you expect? What will be your net profit? What will be left for the entrepreneur? The entrepreneur being you. Only then, after you finished your financial plan, you are gonna write your executive summary. Alright? I hope this instruction video helped you. On top there are a few links which you could use as a guideline. We will provide you those links, obviously, as well as the format and everything. In case it's not written, oh, I'm sorry. If in case it's not written, but it will be Oegst. I'm sorry. Not Britain, but Oegstgeest. Shutting up shops, then you will have your delivery service business plan ready. Hope to see you soon. Ciao, ciao.